My name is Ljiljana. I'm head of concept design at Metaform Architects, and I'll talk about the Post headquarters project. So Post is one of the biggest companies in Luxembourg and the biggest employer. And for their company, they needed a new headquarters, so they organized a national competition. To start thinking about the competition, we first analyzed the site. So the plot is located in a very dense urban environment across the main train station in the center of Luxembourg City and on a very, very busy street. And soon we realized that the building will mostly be perceived laterally from the sides by vehicles and pedestrians passing by. So what we wanted to create is sort of animation of the building and connection with the street. At the same time, we wanted for the building to have a certain massive aspect and to be quite monumental, and we wanted to use a stone. And in order to merge these two ideas, we came up with vertical slat elements in stone, and we changed their sizes and orientation so that when you're passing by the building, you perceive it differently. It's like as if the building was changing and it was interacting with the street. Another very important aspect was the historical building of the corner of the plot that had to be preserved. Its facade and its pitched roof. So what we did is we morphed the pitched roof into the vertical facade with a flat roof. And therefore we created sort of a link between a historical and contemporary aspect within this one new block. So the brief was very specific. Post is a company with very clear functional organization and structure, and they have different sectors within the company that we had to put all together so that nobody feels left out and they can all communicate daily without any difficulties. At the same time, Post as a company everywhere in the world, it's a hub for communication and connection. And we wanted to translate these main characteristics into an architectural gesture. So we did this by creating an atrium, so a sort of void that hosts a spiral staircase that is obviously connecting all the floors, but is at the same time acting as a link and an anchor for all the employees. Around this atrium, we placed different common areas where people can meet, they can work together, exchange ideas, they can even cook or do sports or just relax. And in overall, these spaces are contributing to the well-being of the employees. Finally, from our side here at Metaform Architects, to work on a project of such scale and importance is really a great pleasure and a privilege. And even extra hours we put in and extra pushes we made were actually really fun. And I just hope that our energy and our enthusiasm got reflected in the quality of the final design.